Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to appear offline on your Xbox Series S or your Xbox Series X. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is be on your dashboard. We're going to be clicking up on our controller and we're going to be highlighting over our avatar on the top left. We're going to be clicking our A button. Once this opens up, we should see some different information about our profile. What we can do is come down here to the last option. For me at the moment, it says appear online. This will depend on what you actually have set up at the moment. If we click this drop down, we will have a couple of options. We can appear online, we can appear offline, and we can say do not disturb. So from this point, if you want to appear offline, you simply click appear offline, and now you will be appearing offline to all users. You can even see this at the very top of this menu. It says your username and then it says appearing offline, and this means that anyone else that looks at your profile right now will think that you're offline. If at any point you would like to come back here and change it, we can simply come down here to the appear offline option and simply click appear online, and then you're back online. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to appear offline on your Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.